Welcome to the Little Wonderful TV. And it's Phonics Day, learning something new every day. Letters, numbers, songs, and fun. Let's begin, come everyone. B is for an alligator napping in the sun. B is for the roo, having lots of fun. C is for the cat saying meow meow meow. D is for the dog and bow wow wow. ABC, come and sing with me. Animals are happy as can be, learning letters every day. Come along, let's laugh and play. E is for the
Elephant, big and strong.
F is for the
Frog, singing a croaky song.
G is for the
Cat, standing up so tall.
H is for the
Horse, galloping for all.
ABC, come and sing with me. Animals are happy as can be, learning letters every day. Come along, let's laugh and play. I is for iguana,
Green and bright,
J is for the
jellyfish floating light.
K is for the
Koala,
sleepy in a tree. L is for the
lion,
roaring happily. N is for the
monkey,
swinging with delight. N is for the
narwhal,
swimming left and right. O is for the owl saying hoot hoot hoot. P is for the
penguin,
wearing a funny suit. ABC, come and sing with me. Animals are happy as can be, learning letters every day. Come along, let's laugh and play. Q is for the whale, tiny and sweet. R is for the rabbit, hopping on its feet. S is for the
snake,
slithering slow. T is for the
tiger.
putting on a show.
U is for the urchin.
Under the sea,
V is for the vulture.
flying free.
W is
Four
for
more flashing in the blue.
X is for the
X-ray fish.
see-through too.